Assalamualaikum. I am Syairah Muhammad Sharif from Bachelor of Chemical Engineering. Currently, I am doing internship at Jabatan Pengairan Saliran Negeri Kelantan, District Bachok, and today is my final presentation for internship. In this video, I will address my organization as JPS Bachok. The objective of the industrial training is to experience the industrial working culture and real working environment. Then, to give new knowledge and strive forward for implement basic knowledge that have been learned. This also can build effective interaction and communication with college as well as to promote teamwork spirit at the workplace. And lastly, trainer can understand the project process flow, challenges, improvement, and also the career path of working in enforcement of act and regulation, since this department is always use the Environmental Quality Act 1974, which also known as EQA 1974. This is the law of Malaysia. The vision of JPS is to be the leader of national water resources management and environmental expertise service. Meanwhile, for the JPS mission is to provide excellent service in the development and management of irrigation, drainage, river, coastal zone, hydrology and water resources. As a contribution to the development of agriculture sector, improving the quality of life of the population and also for the environmental conservation. Here was the history of Department of Irrigation and Drainage Bachok District, which function under JPS Bachok located at Kota Baru. It is a government sector under Ministry Environment and Water, was first established in 1932, which formerly known as Jabatan Parit and Tadi Air. JPS Bachok was established by the central government back in 1992. On 4th September of 1988, Majesty Tuanku Ismail Petra Ibni Almarhum Sultan Yahya Petra, Sultan and Yang Dipertua for the state of Kelantan Darul Naim, officially opening the Jabatan Pengairan Saliran Bachok District. This is the organisation chart of JPS Bachok, which led by Jurutera Jajahan and divided into 4 divisions. Firstly, Corporate Division, then Water Resources Management and Hydrology, also known as Flood Management and Ecosystem Drainage Division. Next, River Basin Management and Coastal Zone, and lastly, Agricultural Irrigation and Drainage Management Division. The main objective or job scope of JPS Bachok is implement river conservation work to reduce erosion and flood disaster. Then develop and operate irrigation, drainage and flood mitigation facilities. They also provide earlier feedback on any complaint regarding water resources problem, such as flood, river, beach, drainage, Next, JPS also implement coastal erosion control program and provide technical advisory service toward the implementation of integrated project planning and management in coastal zone to reduce coastal erosion. In my industrial training, I was placed under administration and technical department of JPS Bacho. In this department, I was guided by my supervisor, Mr. Muhammad Amrul Safizan bin Hassan, the Chief Assistant Engineer of JPS Bacho, and also Madam Asma binti Kasim as Assistant Engineer. During my internship, this is my few job scope and daily routine that I have been done. First of all, receive public complaint from Bashut district resident and then provide early feedback as soon as possible by visiting the reported location for inspection and further suitable action. Every day, I will assist Madam Asma in implement the project of maintaining agriculture road and river conservation work around Bachok district. Once a week, I will assist Madam Asma by giving feedback in OSC 3 Plus online system related the compulsory requirement for drainage system permission in the construction of new building. Then I was assigned to sell the quotation form at a reception counter of JPS Bachok. During the selling of quotation form, the contractor as a buyer need to bring a postal money of either RM10 or RM30 based on total project cost. The quotation form consists of description of project, technical drawing or project plan as well as the construction material component of the project. Duration of selling and submission of the quotation form is 1 week. Then the contractor will submit it by inserting into peti document sebut harga of JPS Bacho. I also help the staff to open the envelope of quotation form and next process were done by assistant engineer for evaluating to choose which company is suitable and meet the requirement to do the project. During monsoon season, usually end of the year, Malawi Beach face a serious coastal erosion due to high tide, wave and wind. Therefore, JPS Bacho took initiative to implement to a project of rock revetment across the coastal line to prevent further beach erosion. It also known as multiple tier rock retaining wall. Thus, this is also can preserve aquatic life and help create more suitable habitat for fish and other wildlife. The construction material used for rock revetment work are usually armor rock and filter rock. For rock revetment and geotextile fabric used for the ground treatment, it also is a type of non-woven fabric made from polypropylene and polyester material. I have visited to Water Resources Management and Hydrology Division at JPS Negeri Kelantan. During the visit, I have met Mr. Hisham. The Flood Operation Control Center room is equipped with computer and TV flat screen that display all the data of rainfall and river water level which collected from telemetry system all over district in Kelantan. According to Mr. Hisham, this center collect all the data from system telemetry and rain station over 10 districts in Kelantan, including Bachok. This center will collect and record all the data of rainwater and river water level from rain station and telemetry system for every 1 hour. The data collected will be automatically recorded into computer system and then will be displayed on the computer screen for monitoring. Public complaint received by JPS Bachok. The first is I go visit to the Kampung Kua with my supervisor and Deputy Director of JPS Negeri Kelantan, Mr. Marina American Abdullah. Then the bridge collapsed at Kampung Kandis Bachok Kelantan. Third, riverbank erosion at Sungai Melo Bachok. Flash flood. This not regularly occur, but it occur when a rainy season. And the last one is dirty drain or river. This is the most complaint that we receive in JPS Bachok. After going through industrial training at JPS Bachok, I received a lot of exposure in the field of coastal and river engineering while working as a student trainer. Then, this industrial training had given opportunities for me to prepare myself before stepping into a real working environment. Besides, I can involve with critical thinking and problem solving when abnormalities occur. Lastly, me can be ready with all the circumstances of organizing the project, and this can boost student capability to speak in front of others and working together with new staff. Thank you for lending your ears for my presentation today.